To change date and time settings in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find system options, enter them, and then navigate into the date and time options. That way you'll be able to adjust all of the settings, and starting with we have automatic date and time. You can disable it and that way adjust date and time manually, but if you do it manually, it may cause some network synchronization issues and may cause some errors when you try to browse internet, for example. So I would recommend to put it on automatic options. And the same is with the time zone. You can turn off automatic options for it and then adjust it manually. But doing this may cause the network issues, so I recommend to leave it on. Then there's notifications. You can change time zone change notifications when you will receive them when you change a time zone, basically. So you can enable or disable it. And then there's a time format that allows you to put your clock to 12 hours or 24 hours format. When you activate it, it will be set to 24. When you disable it, it will be set to 12. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.